everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to look at how to use Vizard's timeline editor to add B-roll to your videos. Start by going to the project page and clicking on the video you want to edit. Then choose the specific clip you'd like to work on. Once you're inside the editor, you'll see the full clip timeline displayed on the screen. From the toolbar on the left, click B-roll. Here, you have multiple options. You can generate B-roll with AI, upload your own footage, or search from Vizard's built-in B-roll library using keywords. Based on the mood of this video, we're going to add a B-roll shot that helps enhance the overall atmosphere. Type in a keyword, then browse through the suggested clips and choose the one that fits best. Let's go with this one. As soon as you click it, the B-roll is automatically added to the timeline. Now you can see that the clip is a little too long, so let's shorten it a bit. Simply drag the edges to trim the duration, then reposition it on the timeline so it fits more naturally into the video. Now let's preview the result. You can immediately see how this added B-roll makes the overall video feel more immersive and dynamic.